In this guide video, I'm going to teach you how to make your BeReal account public. If you think that this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe and also turn on the notifications for more future updates. Firstly, let's head over to BeReal. Now, in order to make your account public, there is no separate option. You can change opt-in settings when you post a BeReal. So firstly, tap on take a BeReal if you haven't yet, and it's gonna open up your back camera first, take a picture, and it's also gonna snap your front camera. Now once that is done, you can see an option here which says my friends only. If you tap on it, now you can see an option of discovery. So if you want to make your post on BeReal public, then you can choose the discovery option. Once you do that, now you can tap on send, and the BeReal that you just took will be sent to the discovery page right here. Now as you see post of other people also would be able to view your BeReal that you just posted. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll be back with more.